We're taking pictures of Braylee in front of the little, what are they, statues? Walking into the Magic Kingdom. It's hot and crowded, I can tell already. First stop, Starbucks. Okay, got my drink. Then we got some corn dogs for Braylee. We just did the mobile order and picked them up quick. Now we're gonna go ride some rides.
I got an idea. I'll start at the beginning. What's the...
We just rode Mine Train. Now we're gonna go to our next Fast Pass at Thunder Mountain. We're about to get on Thunder Mountain. Oh my goodness. Braylee, say hi. Checking into the beach club now. We just took a minivan from Ohana. We're waiting to check in. Hey guys, so we just checked into the beach club. We're exhausted. We spent the day at Magic Kingdom and then ate at Ohana. We're probably gonna just spend the evening here. I might take my daughter swimming. And yeah, let me show you around the room. There's a bathroom. Pretty shower. This one's with the bathtub. Long mirror. Bathroom. Sinks. Towels. Little closet. Actually a pretty big closet. We'll probably stick our luggages in there. Huge TV. 2 beds. Ricky. This little area. This little charging station. This is a pull-out bed. Pretty little pictures of shells. There's my daughter and my mom out there looking out. And look how cute this is too. And yeah, that's a quick little tour of the room. Let me show y'all outside. And we have a pretty pool view. Who's going swimming? We're walking to Epcot. Okay, we're in Epcot with 30 minutes left till it closes. We're walking through the UK and Canada so we can get to our Soarin' Fast Pass. Take a picture of Braylee. Braylee, let me see. Yeah.
Bye-bye.